Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ayu Nur Azizah. So in this video, I would like to presentation about my assignment. So I'm gonna talk about environmental issues. What is environmental issues? Environmental issues are effects of human activity on the biopsychal environment, most often of which are harmful effects that cause environmental degradation. This include pollution, overpopulation, waste disposal, climate change, global warming, the greenhouse effect, and more. Various environment protection programs are being practiced at the individual, organizational, and government levels with the aim of establishing a balance between man and the environment. And this is the example of environmental issues. There are deforestation, contamination, waste, I mean, water pollution, air pollution, greenhouse gas emission. So I choose contamination for the example. The definition of environmental contamination is the entry of other component, which is substance, living things, into the environment, which causes the quality of the environment to be damaged. Contamination can occur due to human activities and also due to natural activities. So we move to the impact of contamination. Contaminants in the environment can look and smell pretty nasty, but their impact go beyond just aesthetic. Some pollutants resist breakdown and accumulate in the food chain. This pollutant can be consumed or absorbed by fish and wildlife, which in turn may be eaten by us. Chemical can also get into sediments, impacting large coastal areas, threatening human health, reducing the economic well-being of regions that depend on a healthy coastal environment. So, what will I do to solve environmental issues? There are many things me and all of us can do to reduce contamination in our environment, including number one, plant grass, trees, and scrub in bare areas to reduce and absorb runoff, reduce erosion, and improve habitat. Properly and number two, properly dispose of pet waste, motor oil, and household chemical. Number three, use fertilizer and pesticides strongly on lawns and gardens. Number four, keep trash out of storm drains where it will clog up the drain or end up in the nearest stream or lake. Number five, organize neighborhood cleanups and then maintain your car to prevent oil leak and consider purchasing and using less toxic household chemical. And the last one is recycle plastic, glass, and paper. So we move to the testing toxicity. This is the last page. Harmful chemical pollution and excess nutrient runoff are serious threats to the coastal environment. NOS scientists are conducting research to help detect and predict how this pollution will impact coastal research. For example, at the National Centers for Coastal Ocean Science, scientists are evaluating the effect of single contaminants and contaminant mixture, conducting toxicity testing with single species, and conducting research in controlled condition to assess contaminant impact on biological communities. Scientists are also looking at how environmental and human stressors impact bottlenose dolphin population. So I think that's enough for me. I'm so sorry for my bad English. And thank you for your attention.